Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Mint Mobile and how it's possibly might get bought out or acquired by T-Mobile. So you might be saying, wait a minute, I thought T-Mobile and Mint Mobile were the same. No, they're not the same company, guys, but of course, Mint Mobile does use the T-Mobile networks and MVNO. But yeah, it looks like T-Mobile's trying to buy, or at least eyeing, or maybe even having the thought of buying Mint Mobile, which is pretty cool. And actually, Mint Mobile, the new spokesman, of course, is, Deadpool actor Ryan Reynolds, and everybody, likes him. They know him. He's a good actor. So let's get into it and see what's up with this. But and we'll go to Mint Mobile's website in a little bit. Hopefully, this is not too long of a video. I'll try to get through it as much. Like same thing. I'll tell you my opinions and go through it. So it says, according to Bloomberg, T-Mobile has been in talks with Mint Mobile about potential deal. The report cites people familiar with matter who asked not to be identified because the matter isn't public. So of course they're having these, close people to this deal, or that know about the deal. They don't want to say who they are because it's not public information just yet, but basically it's kind of leaked stuff. So it says Bloomberg noted that no final decision has been made and Mint could decide to remain independent or sell to another party. So either they can say, yeah, we're going to sell to T-Mobile, or, they might even just stay independent like they have. And I think they've been doing a good job at staying independent. Their rates are very low. We'll look at that in just a little bit. But yeah, the rates are pretty good. It says T-Mobile did not comment as well. Of course, not both parties are not going to comment about it, guys. So I don't think they're going to come out and be like, hey, yeah, it's, we're the ones that are going to buy them or whatever, until at least the deal is final, or they actually have a written contract, or made the deal basically. Says it's not the first rumor, of course, of potential Mint acquisition. In 2021, the New York Post reported that Reynolds was poised to reap a windfall from his stake in Mint Mobile, estimated to be between 20 to 25%. So wow. Of course, and let's just not, of course, he would make a good chunk of money, but of course, he's the one that's actually out there, making these ads, these funny ads. I don't know if you ever see them, but he makes pretty good ads to post on TV or YouTube. So I really do like him as an actor. I think he's funny, and he's Deadpool. Who doesn't like Deadpool? So, but overall, I think he's trying to do what some other CEOs have tried to do, even though he's not like the CEO, but he's trying to be the face of them, of Mint Mobile, and bring back the company to its glory, should I say, or even to get more customers. It says at that time, a sales price of anywhere from 600 million to 800 million was basically in talks with a cable company, Altice USA, as the lead buyer. Ooh. But of course, it never went through because the price was too high. Or they're saying that it was too high, but 600, 800 million, that's a lot of money, guys. Mint uses T-Mobile's network under an MVNO, of course, kind of agreement with them, where Mint is considered a wholesale customer. That might make it easier to strike a deal with T-Mobile, since they basically already use their network. So it's not like they would have to switch anything. Mint Mobile's already using T-Mobile's network, so if they buy it, it should be a smooth transaction. It says because T-Mobile can then bring in-house and increase its profitability, according to Entner. I don't know. It says the attractiveness of them being bought by their host network operator might be higher, he said. So, of course, like I said, I think it would just be an easier transaction for everybody if they did it this way. So, it says, of course, Mint placed with ChatGPN. So, it says earlier this week, Mint Mobile PR team was plugging a new spot for Reynolds, in which he talks about a script written completely via ChatGPN technology. In the spot, Reynolds said he asked the AI-powered text engine to use a joke, a curse word, and let people know what Mint's holiday promotion is still going on. So that is true. Their holiday deals are still going on. Like I said, we'll take a look at that. Of course, Mint Chief Marketing Officer Aaron North told Fears via email that Reynolds asked ChatGPN to write the script exactly how he explained it in the commercial. Wow. So pretty cool. It says, of course, that's been under Mint's radar since it launched, and once they got a chance to play with it, the ad wrote itself literally. Wow, so pretty cool. It says Mint's promotion. Let's talk about these promotions, guys, because like I said, Mint Mobile does have pretty good promotions, and I think that's why they're in the market. And they're starting to get a big portion of the market because, with the recession coming and people trying to save more money, they're trying to go cheaper, guys. Especially if it's a cell phone bill. A lot of people's cell phone bills are over $100. People trying to save some money. So it says Mint's promotion, which includes 3 months free with a 3-month plan, runs through January 15. Nothing that big wireless firms turn their promotions off after the holiday. So like I said, Ryan Reynolds or Mint Mobile in their commercials are always poking fun of the big guys, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. They're basically saying, oh, the holidays are over. That's it. No more promotions. But Mint Mobile's like, nah, we still have ours going on for 15 more days or whatever, beginning of the new year. So it says, North said Mint always runs its promotions into the new year because it's a time when people are looking to save money. And that is true. Like I said, they're doing a good job, guys. They're trying to capture these customers that want to save some money and maybe didn't have any money during the holidays, but now that they have some Christmas money, they're trying to save some money or switch to a new cell phone provider. And it's nice that they still have the holiday deals going on. So Mint was the first MVNO to launch eSIM. That is true. And it's been a game changer. North said the company doesn't disclose the number of subscribers it serves, but it has seen higher adoption rates and incredibly high customer satisfaction with its fully digital sales and activation channels, he said. So basically, they're having good success with their eSIM. They don't have to worry about shipping out a SIM card. They can just do everything through eSIM as long as the phone's supported. Mint subscribers are split between 50-50 between Apple iOS and Android users. So they're saying half of their subscribers are through Android and half of them are through Apple. So that is not bad at all. It's a pretty good split there. Asking about the competitive environment, Nord said wireless is always a competitive sector, and that is true, man. Should I say, or guys, in the cell phone industry, it's very cutthroat. Like whoever's offering the best deal, people are going to switch because there's not much tying them down. Maybe a cell phone plan, that's not tying them down, but a cell phone installment is. So if they owe $1,000 on the phone, they decide to leave. And they go to, let's say, if you have Verizon, you go to AT&T, you'll be responsible for that phone. But if you own a phone outright or you have prepaid, it's so easy to switch, guys. So just be worried about that. It says Mint continues to be a great alternative to Verizon and AT&T, which are, of course, their main competitors, their rivals, but they're the big guys in the industry, but they are also the most expensive. As a team, they're certainly keeping an eye on the cable companies, of course, like Spectrum Mobile and all that other stuff. So there's other competition out there, guys, that they need to look out for. So, and that is pretty good stuff. That's about it. Not too much stuff. The rest of it's about 6G. But what do you guys think, guys? Like I said, they are still keeping their eye out, but it's just saying nothing is starting just yet. But Mint Mobile could get bought out by T-Mobile. So that'd be kind of nice. Now let's look at Mint Mobile. Of course, the deal ends in 3 days, 8 hours. If the big wireless deal, last chance, is 3 months free when you buy any 3-month plan. So if you buy a 3-month plan, you'll get 3 months free. So pretty cool. So as you can see, $75 for 3 months of service. Then you'll get 3 months. So instead of getting $75 for 3 months of service, you get $75 for 6 months. Same thing. What's up with this stuff right here? 75 for 3 doesn't really make too much sense there, but that might be a typo. But either way, instead of getting it for 3 months, you'll get 6 months, because remember, you pay for 3 and then you'll get 3 for free. Here's their 4 plans: 4 gigs for 15, 10 gigs for $20 a month, $25 get you 15 gigs, and for unlimited it's 30. But they're unlimited like Metro by T-Mobile and Boost Mobile, at least Boost Mobile. I'm not too sure with Metro, but you get 35 gigs of high-speed data of 5G. After that, I believe it does slow down. So just be wary. Here it is, unlimited plan. Yep, here you go. Unlimited plan. Customers using more than 35 gigs a month will experience lower speeds. Video streams at 480p. That's another thing that I would say. I don't like that. I want to watch in full HD. Compatible device is required. Coverage not available in all areas. Taxes and fees do apply. So it's not taxes and fees are included like some other carriers like Visible Wireless or Metro. So just be worried about that. And how this works, you want to check your coverage, make sure T-Mobile works in your area because it does run off of T-Mobile. Bring your current phone, pick a plan, and order a SIM. So not bad at all. They also have another deal. Get 6 months of free wireless service when you buy a new phone in a 6-month plan. So not too bad at all. So of course, how many lines, all that stuff. Wow, they do have, ooh, that's another thing I didn't even know. So they do have a Mint 55 Plus, which I did not know about. So like I said, I'm not too fond or know them that much. But they do have a bunch of free stuff that you can get if you're 55 or older. Of course, you can transfer your number over to Mint Mobile and all that good stuff. And they, of course, they do sell phones. But overall, guys, what do you think? Do you think, Ryan Reynolds is going to sell the company? He's done a good job, I would say, of putting Mint Mobile where they're at right now, where some people have tried them and like them and stay. I mean, their rates are pretty cheap. So especially with inflation and everything going on, it might be a good move for them. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. What do you think? This was brought to you by fiercewireless.com. Check them out. And of course, Mint Mobile's website. But it's pretty cool. If you want to support the channel, you can by checking out Honey. Or I will have some links in the description below. Check them out, guys. We'll support the channel quite a bit. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragon Warfare signing off. And what do you think? Is he going to sell it? Or is he going to stay independent? So who knows?